And Otto's over there. Come here, boy. Otto, come here. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Look at this. Everyone's come up for a pat. Did you just steal the... Did you just steal the wheat out of that poor alpaca's mouth? Otto, that's not very nice. Look at them all. Oi. Don't you mouth off at me. You know you're not allowed in the shed. Go on out you get. Yeah, yeah. Talk the talk, walk the walk. Get out the door. You know you're not allowed in the shed. Yesterday there was one, today there's two. Oi! Oi! Get out! Shoot! You're not allowed in here. Some guard dog you are. You want to round them up, Otto? No? Just going to sit there and let them fuck around?
I'm on smoke home! So leave me alone, I'm on smoke home!
Look at them all. I don't have any food. Alright? None. Oh, I might have to shut the shed door, I think. You going to keep them from getting in here? No? Alright. Don't follow me, alright? I can't have you shitting everywhere while I'm cleaning up. Guys, clearly no one was paying attention at the staff meeting, alright? The shed is off limits to all employees bar me. Shoo. I'm going to have to shut the door to keep you lot out. It's like someone said there was donuts in the break room or something.